Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 39C, Wicca Street in Rivervale, where you're buying a beautiful quality home built by a renowned boutique builder. Plus, we're in a CUL-DE-SAC, and the home it presents as new. We also have a beautiful downstairs bedroom for you as well. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour. 39C, Wicca Street in Rivervale. As you can see, you're buying a home that's been beautifully maintained by its proud owners, and it's future-proof with a bedroom downstairs. For more details of our property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.